So guys, just a short intro there. The following video again unfortunately has a bit of a misty patch about midway through. I've got to try and get this sorted because the videos I'm really not happy with, but obviously as the build is being done, so I don't want to miss out on any of the build stuff. Yeah, so not extremely happy at the minute with the videos, and I will endeavour to get it put right for you guys. Again, I did it on the GoPro as well, so yeah, still a few minor issues with that one, so which hopefully I'll get sorted out today and can get a decent video put up tomorrow. So please bear with it, and thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel. Mike the Muppet Modeler here, and before we get going, thank you to all my subscribers, new and existing. Very much appreciated your subscribing, and I love all the comments coming in. It's been absolutely brilliant, thank you very much. Today we're going to be progressing on with the Takom King Tiger, but before we do, as I hinted in a short posted at the weekend, I made a bit of a balls up. Hang on a sec, before I get into that, I'm just going to the little heater on. Hopefully then we won't get any misting up of the camera lenses. Let's put that there. Yeah, basically guys, I went to do a video on Friday, I think it was Thursday or Friday, and I was faffing around with the GoPro, trying to get the GoPro into a good position to try and get some better footage for you guys. And I had the camcorder set up as well, but then once I did get the GoPro into a good position, I remembered that I didn't have a memory card big enough to do anything with really, so had to stop what I was doing there, and I started on with the build. Then when I'd finished recording for the build, took it indoors, put the SD card into my laptop, and there was nothing there. I'd only gone and forgotten to press the record button, hadn't I? So yeah, that's where I was with that. So total balls up on my part, as always. But basically what I did in that section, that part, was the right side interior wall, and I'd cut off and I'd cleaned up the left side of the interior wall. So what we'll do today is we'll go ahead, get these bits put in, and then we'll do step 4 as well, and then hopefully we'll get it uploaded and away we go. So this is all the parts, they've already been cleaned up, so let's go ahead. So we'll put this part on first.
Wherever it's gone. Where has it gone? I swear it was there just now. Did I do it? Spray pea? You've got to be kidding me. Sorry about this, guys. Another monumental balls up on my part by the looks of it. Yeah, there it is. While we're at it, I'd like to say well done to the England football / soccer team for beating Senegal and progressing on to the quarterfinals. To any of the US, to anyone in the US, good luck. Is it good luck or did they go out? Well, if you're still in, good luck. If the team's already on its way home, unlucky. And hopefully better luck next time. Good side, US. Very good side. Okay. Got little bits of polystyrene all over the place because I've just been to B&Q, bought a sheet of polystyrene and put it up in the roof. So that hopefully to give it a little bit of insulation and also stop the condensation on the inside of the metal roof dropping down onto all my work area. Right, so this goes very gently into there. Can't be breaking anything off. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Sorry if my arms are in the way or I've gone out of shot. That's what I didn't want. There we go. I think that's right. Right. Nope, that's not right. It's got to be around the other way. So on this, you can see that you've got a round part there, and that part's like a big nut. So that's the way it's got to go round. So that goes like that. There's the nut. Parts actually glue into the side wall, so you leave these, don't have to glue this part because you need the movement to be able to get it in the right place. Come on. Playing me up now. Oh, thought I had it. On the sprues there's actually 4 of these, but I think you only need to use 3. So if you do manage to break one by any chance, if you get this kit, there you go, then you can always use the other one. So this one goes in here and in here. Basically just sits on the top of there. Right, need to glue this box together. Nice fit. We'll glue this one into place. And on there. And the very first one there. Oh yeah, I remember something that I mentioned in the other video, which never came about. That I was watching a video from Nigel's modelling bench. Now his builds are, well, if you've ever watched any, they are absolutely awesome. The detail and everything that he puts in, the time, the effort that he puts in is absolutely unreal. Making sure everything is just right, just so, and it's amazing, to be honest. And I was watching the November update video which he did, and in it he said that some of his, I don't know, Patreons, subscribers or whatever, actually were messaging him and basically telling him to get a move on, which saying that he's taking too long. Well, to Nigel I say, keep doing what you're doing, mate, don't listen, because what you're doing is absolutely amazing and you wouldn't have 20,000 subscribers if you were doing anything wrong. So I say, keep going the way you're going and don't bloody listen. I mean, at the end of the day, guys, if you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. If you don't want to watch the videos, don't watch the videos. Nobody's forcing you, are they? So, I don't know. I suppose I just don't get it. I just didn't make sense to me. That's all. I guess. That's going to go there. And that go in there, like so. There we go. I mean, as you know, guys, as I've said, I mean, I've made model kits since I was a kid, but I did have a break from it for about, oh, that's a nice little click, for probably well over, probably near on 30 years. And when I come back to the hobby, absolutely everything changed. Absolutely everything. I mean, I was used to just getting a kit, putting it together, slapping a bit of paint on, and that was it. Now with all the weathering and everything else, I mean, it makes things look so much better, don't get me wrong, but it's just so different. And for someone to come along and tell you that you're taking too long or whatever, I just think it's a bit of a joke, personally. But yeah, again, just my opinion. So yeah, big shout out to Nigel at Nigel's Modelling Bench. Absolutely awesome, absolutely amazing. Just keep doing what you're doing, because everything you do, everything you build is absolutely amazing. And if one day I turn out to be half as good as you, I will be well happy. So guys, if you can, if you got the time at any point, take a little look over, like I say, Nigel's Modelling Bench, because what he does is awesome. Hope you haven't found that little bit of waffle too boring. But I did just feel like I had to say something, because I don't know where people get off, really. Sometimes. I mean, we all like to think we can build. I mean, that's all, apparently that's all I do is build. Don't actually model, I build. So I was told. But if that's all I do, I'm quite happy to do it, because I love it. Right then. Quite a few little clean-up points on this bit. All these little bits of plastic and that I cut off, I've just got a little pot lid that I'll stick them in, and then I'll get rid of them later on. Anyway guys, thank you again, thanks for waiting if you're seeing any videos, and when they pop up you watch them. That's absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. The channel's reached 512 subscribers now, which I never could have dreamed of. So thank you very much. I would probably do Patreon or something if I could even figure out how it works, but I haven't really got anything I can give away, so there's no real point really. turn that one around there. So where does that go? In that one. Oh, missed a bit there. And it goes that way round. In there like so. I'm sure when I watched this being done a couple of years ago, it looks so easy to do this. One of the things that attracted me to this kit was the fact that I didn't have to do this bit in photo etch, to be honest. It was a pain, a little bit of a pain doing it in, having to build it in photo etch, I won't lie. Almost get it in there. Do it bit by bit, I think. That's it in. I think some of these, bits are just a tiny fraction bit too long. I went out earlier today, guys, and I bought a 32 gig micro SD card for the GoPro, so I'm not only recording this on my camcorder, but I'm also doing it on the GoPro just to see if it works out, if it comes out any good. Right, that's that bit in place. We've got R4 and R8. I need that bit there. Apologies as well, guys, for not uploading recently. The last week or so has been absolutely manic. and basically that's why I haven't been able to do much. As you can see by how little has been done on the Tiger, because obviously if I'd had plenty of time then it'd be a lot further along than what it is. Screw on. Oh. 4 and 8. And in the last video, if you watched it, you might remember that I posed the question as to whether anybody wanted to see me just cutting bits off the sprue or anything like that, and only one person replied that said just keep doing it the way you're doing, basically. So that's what I'm doing. So thank you, Phil, for that. Thanks for that comment and for watching the videos. You always leave a great comment and it's absolutely awesome, blows me away every time. Thank you very much. I am going to get a bit fed up, I can see, with doing this. Keep putting everything back in the bags. So how long I'm going to do that for, I really don't know. But I don't think it's going to be long. So a couple of little ejector pin marks with a bit of flash around them on the back there, so just taking that off. Do that bit in a sec. Right then. Everything seems to line up alright, so I believe. Soon find out a little bit further down the line anyway, won't we? This bit. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm just going to go back to the Nigel's modelling bench thing. Only because basically just wanted to say that the amount of effort that he puts in, and well, all YouTubers really, if you've got a channel, you know how much work it is, how much you've got to do, the time, effort and everything else. So for people to be like that, it just doesn't compute really, I suppose, with me. That's all. Sorry about that. We get back to the build now anyway. Just really frustrates me. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to keep this one short today, because obviously we haven't been able to do a video in a little while, so I'll keep this one short, and then we'll crack on and get some longer ones done, maybe from tomorrow. What's that? R7 and Q50. R7. I think what I might do, guys, as well, is if the channel grows next year, which hopefully it will, if I haven't given up by then, which I won't. If the channel grows to reach the magic 1,000 subscribers mark, and the 4,000 watch hours, then I think what I will do is I will pick someone at random and I will send them a kit as a Christmas present. I'll run down the list of subscribers, put all the names in the hat and just pull one out. So, fingers crossed for that one. It'll be a nice kit as well, it won't just be a cheap thing. I'll save my pennies up through the year. And make sure it's worth it. Because I get already the amount of support and everything is amazing. Obviously you guys, you don't know me from Adam, so to actually make comments and things like you do, it's awesome. So it'll be just a little thank you. And that goes there, right in the middle. Don't actually understand there, but that says that's where it says it's got to go, so that's where it's got to go. And maybe that goes in there like that, in that little niche. Or maybe not, I don't know. But anyway guys, that'll be that. Leave that to set up now. But as you can see, that's how it's coming along. It's got some nice detail in there. Looking good. So there we go guys, that's part 4, or section 4 if you like, and then tomorrow on to section 5. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.